कभी फील हुआ कि लोग आपको बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं? मार्क्स, फैमिली इनकम, कॉन्फिडेंस, हर बेसिस में जजमेंट होता है। आपकी फेवरेट टीचर्स कहते हैं यार इसको तो कुछ आता नहीं है। योर ओन बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स से यार इसका तो लाइफ में कुछ होगा ही नहीं। योर ओन रिलेटिव्स इससे ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखना ही नहीं। एंड ऑल दीज नेगेटिव थॉट्स इवेंचुअली बिकम योर रियलिटी. And that's why I am making this video for all those people who are silently struggling, saying that you are not alone and don't underestimate yourself. Today I will tell you 5 points which will make you prove them wrong, not today but forever. Number 1, the discomfort zone. Mike Tyson हमेशा कहता है, when there is something you hate to do it, you should do it like you love it. अब इसका बहुत एक deep meaning है. Right now I am shooting this video at 4:12 a.m. At this moment, I really don't feel like shooting. I have to be at the hospital at 7:45 a.m. and I have a night duty tomorrow, and tomorrow is my procedure day, which means I'll have to take care of my patients and do procedures. Do I feel like shooting right now? No. Am I uncomfortable? Yes. But right now, I am being comfortable being uncomfortable. Once you understand this concept, nothing can stop you. Number 2, discipline versus motivation. अब बहुत लोग कहते हैं ये motivation सब बकवास है, discipline is everything. But let me tell you that discipline and motivation work simultaneously. इसका एक बहुत अच्छा example देता हूँ. आपकी जो gas stove है, that gas is discipline, and the spark lighter which you give is nothing but motivation. Now, if you just take the sparkling lighter, tuck 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 tuck, that's just motivation. उसका कुछ फायदा ही नहीं है. You're just a spark, you will not get anywhere. But when you combine that spark with the gas, that's when the flame arises. So if you're thinking कि मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ motivation देखते रहूँगा and I'll just get somewhere, आप कहीं नहीं पहुँच पाओगे. This video which you're watching right now is nothing but your spark to fire you up. Number 3, shortcut trap. Now let me give you a very good example. आप जितने भी ये coaching centers जा रहे हो, who are selling all these crash courses are nothing but shortcuts. Do you think you'll be able to get a top rank with all these crash courses? Absolutely not. Always remember, short-term courses or anything short-term can give you some results, but they can never give you a top-class result. So number 4 is the concept of eating souls. And ये concept है where I read it in my favorite book by David Goggins. And let me explain it with a very simple example. So when I was doing my MD medicine, लोग मेरे बारे में बोलते थे कि यार ये तो बस रील बनाता है, इसको कुछ आता नहीं है, he doesn't know anything about patients, पता नहीं ये पास भी होगा क्या नहीं. And when I got a NEET SS rank of 25 and the AIMS rank of 13, they were speechless. They couldn't open their mouth. I just ate their soul. And I derived so much energy out of it that I'm able to work like a monster even up till date. Number 5 is the concept of cookie jars. So whenever you achieve anything in life, you fill a cookie in the jar. So you keep filling it one by one, and you finally fill it. Now when you're at your lowest, that's when you take a cookie from the jar and you utilize it. Now how to use this concept in real life? Now, when I came to Delhi, I was finding it really hard to balance my social media, my hospital work, and my family life. Then I went back in time to take my old cookie. During the months of Jan-Feb, I used to go to OPD say direct gym. I used to come back and fight with my toxic girlfriend who used to eat my brain. And then I used to study again, maintain my diet, and still get a NEET SS rank of 25 and an AIMS rank of 30. If that Yokesh Arul can work like an animal, it's high time I create a different breed right now. Because I am making this video right now in front of you, and my only aim is, even if I'm able to help 1 out of thousands and lakhs, I would be grateful. And whenever I read your comments, I enter a state of ecstasy, which is extreme happiness. So these 5 points, the discomfort zone, discipline versus motivation, the shortcut trap, eating souls, and cookie jar. Use these 5 rules and you will be another beast. And let me top it up with something unique, is working out. When I started working out, my entire personality changed. When I enter a room and I know that I'm the fittest doctor out there, it gives me a sense of aura. because fitness is something you earn, it cannot be bought. I'm going to end this video with a story which changed my life. This story is about Mata Sabri. जब ऋषि ने उनको कहा कि राम आएंगे, she didn't ask for any time, place or location. She waited. She didn't just fold her hands and wait. She cleaned the path. She even plucked all the fruits to taste which are the better ones, and she ensured all the fruits were clean. She made sure there were no thorns in the road. Why? Because she was preparing for Ram to come. लेकिन आज जब हम थोड़ा सा भी मेहनत करते हैं and we don't get our favored results in exam, we don't get that office promotion, the video which we shot doesn't go viral, हम give up कर देते हैं. पर आप खुद से एक सवाल पूछो, are you ready? If Ram comes right now, are you ready? Are you ready to handle all the success? No, you're not. And the story of Mata Sabri teaches us one thing, that delayed gratification is real power. So अगर आप सच में खुद को प्रूव करना चाहते हो, just for the sake of yourself and not for the sake of anyone else, comments में अभी टाइप करना, I will prove everyone wrong by this particular date by achieving these goals. Take action, prove everyone wrong, not today, but forever.